Ladies and gents, Six Figs here from YouTube. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the news going on within the Dfinity ecosystem. We'll talk about the price of ICP and the charts here in just a second. But we did get this awesome tweet out of Dfinity. Now, they are hosting a Twitter Spaces on Thursday, March 9th, 12 p.m. Central Time, and they will have a special guest, Rug Pull Finder, which is the leader in protecting the NFT community from scams and scammers. So this is going to be a very interesting Spaces. Why don't you go ahead and check out in the comments the link to this and set yourself a reminder. Now, this was newsworthy tweet Dfinity put out here. Did you know over the past 6 months, 24,000 new internet identities were created each month? Think about that for a second, folks. We've got almost 150,000 new internet identities created within the last 6 months alone. That is very impressive, to say the least. So tip of the hat to everyone that created a new internet identity. This I thought was very cool. It is a seminar. And basically, if you're interested in launching a token for your project or simply want to learn more about tokenomics for DAOs, etc., join the ICP.lab Business Boosters webinar. And I will also post a link to this in the pinned comment as well. But you can go ahead here and look at what they have to offer. In the month of March, they've got educational seminars on DAO tokenomics, marketing and PR in Web3, community building success stories out of the ICP ecosystem, entrepreneurship for Web3 builders. So these are all basically free webinars that you can sign up for. Why not? So I'm very bullish on that. I will plan on attending when I can. Let's take a look at the markets here right now, because really things are just popping off right now with the markets. I mean, it's just a big old sea of red. We've got ICP ranked number 37, trading at about $5.39, down half point on the day, 10% on the week, down 8.4% on the month. So what's going on with price action right now? Well, there's a few things that I really want to just go ahead here and highlight. You know, first and foremost, I've been talking about this possibility of the inverse head and shoulders maybe forming now for like a year. Ever since we came down into this dip going into July, I've been talking about this on this channel. I didn't think that we would see this sharp of a pullback off this high. And what do we got here? Well, we've got this perfect Elliott wave theory, and I do think that there is maybe some sort of Elliott wave, corrective wave to the downside here, but I do think that we may get another bounce here and continue down a little bit more. The thing is, we've got some very nice potential here to get this very big inverse head and shoulders pattern, and I want to see the price shoot off like that. But there's also a little caveat here, because if we get a bounce here, we could be seeing a really nasty head and shoulders pattern that is forming. So I would rather just see this price maybe suffer just a little bit. I'm really not wanting this to fill out this head and shoulders pattern. But right now we are looking for maybe somewhat of a bounce on the daily to maybe fill out this head and shoulders pattern if it does occur. It just is what it is. Let's look at this on the 4-hour chart quick. And yeah, I mean, you can kind of see where we got this Elliott wave theory corrective wave in here. We really have formed this descending triangle, and we are now seeing price just consolidate and squeeze sideways. So let's just try to throw up a little Fibonacci time sequence, because I'm curious to see if maybe there'll be anything that indicates increased volatility or reversal, anything like that. So it looks like right here, Fibonacci time sequence really hit a nice reversal point or increased volatility. Here we're looking at March 10th, 2 p.m. Central Time for possibly another little bout of increased volatility. So keep that on your radar. How low are we going to go here with ICP? I know that's what everybody wants to kind of know. So let's just kind of look at the fibs here and see what is happening. So price is holding up strong on this 61.8 at about $5.23. If the floor breaks at about $5.23, I do think that we could see this bad boy head on down to about $4.41. That is, folks, the 786, a very common point of reversal, things like that. So we'll just have to kind of play this as it falls. If we go to the upside and let's just try to figure out what some resistance points might be, you're looking at the $5.79 level, $6.37 level. And I'm just trying to see here. I'm not really seeing any crazy patterns or anything like that forming out of this price action. It looks like it's just moving in one big angle. So, I mean, there's not a falling wedge, nothing like that. The only thing that I could really argue that exists is the fact that there is this little descending triangle, which oftentimes means the previous trend will continue. So maybe we'll see that $4-ish region after all. But stay tuned, folks, and we will catch up on price action, the news over the next few days. We'll be hitting it hard. Love you all. See you guys on the next video.